Namaskar, welcome for the weekly weather discussion, India Met Department. I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik. I will be presenting about the weather conditions that prevail over different part of India during last week and what we are expecting during next 2 weeks. So last week, if you see the synoptic conditions, there were a series of WD, western disturbances that were affecting the northwest India from 16 to 22nd January, and another system, that is the easterly wave and trough in easterly, that were prevailing over the south peninsula, influence of southern India. And if you see that they associate with the WD, there are fog and dense fog over northwest, eastern and northeastern part of India. Also weekly average minimum temperature was above normal, so no cold wave. However, weekly average temperature, maximum temperature was below normal, so also we witnessed the cold day condition during few days of the week. So this is the rainfall. If you see the northwest India, plains of northwest India got some rainfall during the week, and also the southern peninsula of Tamil Nadu and neighboring region also got rainfall. And the heavy rainfall reported over Tamil Nadu on 2 days, that is 16 and 17 January. Now this is the fog and dense fog conditions. You can see large part of northwest India, starting from Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and also extending up to the eastern side to the Odisha and even the EP, Bihar and the northeast India. So this witness fog and dense fog condition. That's why we also got the associated with dense fog conditions. Your maximum temperature was slightly less, and we also got the cold day condition. If you see during the week, many days we witnessed the cold day conditions over northwest India and adjoining central India. Then the rainfall, there are no major system that were there in the during the week. However, due to WD and the southern peninsula easterly wave, we got rainfall over northwest India and also south peninsula. But quantitatively, if you see the weekly rainfall during the week from 16 to 22nd January, the country as a whole received 60% less rainfall. That means this week was less rainfall. However, only south peninsula received above normal rainfall, that is 208% above normal rainfall over south peninsula, but otherwise east and northeast, northwest and central India received less rainfall. As a result, country received 60% less. And cumulative rainfall from the season from 1st January to 22nd January also, the cumulative rainfall is also now at present, it is like minus 62%. That means this season has not got good rainfall so far, except south peninsula, which is normal plus 8%. Otherwise, all three regions are also cumulative, showing deficient rainfall. Now today, main synoptic conditions, there are no major synoptic conditions, but WD is approaching over the northwest India, and another scissor over the MP region, and Bangladesh region another scissor, and another scissor over Southeast Arabian Sea. So these are the synoptic conditions that is prevailing during the today. And we have the model forecast available from global model. So the global model, if you see GFS forecast, so some rainfall are reported over the northwest India, of course not very heavy, associated with the WD, and south peninsula also easterly wave and the trough in easterly, that is also likely to give rainfall over the some parts of south peninsula. And no major warning are there on day 1 and day 2. Only fog is there for east to UP, that orange color. Otherwise, mainly the yellow warning for fog, and also on day 2 it is also reduced the fog warning, and still some parts of UP and adjoining area also, and northeast India you will have some yellow warning is there for fog condition. But subsequently there are no major warning for subsequent 5 days from 25 to 29 January. Then this is the extended range forecast for next 2 weeks. So no major rainfall anomaly, but northwest India still get light rainfall, moderate rainfall as well as the WD. And the week 1 also and week 2 we are expecting slightly increase in rainfall activity over south peninsula, and that's why some part it is positive anomaly is showing. And this is the minimum temperature. Minimum temperature, yes, first part of the week, first half of the week we are expecting that it will be slightly below normal temperature over northeast India, and week 2 the anomaly is very close to normal. That's why the minimum temperature will be very close to normal. But week 1 we are expecting slightly it will be less than the normal minimum temperature. And this is the cyclogenesis. No cyclogenesis are anticipated, so model is showing very low probability, 10 to 30% probability. So this will be the trough or cyclone circulation. However, there will be no depression or cyclone during the next 2 weeks. So this is our social media platform where through which you can get all the forecast available for different platform app you can utilize, website you can utilize, and you can get the desired forecast and warning. With this, I conclude my weekly map discussion. Namaskar.